Okay, we're going to look at entering the data, and I've got the cam right up to the computer, so you'll see my hands at the bottom here working as I enter these different things. But I'm going to start with the number of segments, which is really the n number. N equals 1, n equals 2, n equals 3, n equals 4, and n equals 5. Okay, and remember, we had for the second part a fixed tension. So our tension in the rope, we had 500 grams, half a kilogram hanging off. So it was 4.9, but we don't change that for the experiment. We just change the frequency. So for our first frequency, we got 64 hertz. That was for the fundamental mode. And that was, probably the strongest response, big amplitude there with that. The next one, the n equals 2, also had a pretty good amplitude. And now you can see that down here, let's stretch this out because we only go to n equals 5. And we are going to push this up so we can go through the 0 point right there. And also drop this right here because I think we go up to almost 400 hertz. All right, so we got 2 data points right here so far, this one and this one. And it's nice, it goes through the origin right there. We put in the third point. You can actually do a segment 0 and use 0 hertz, but I'm not going to do that for this one. So 197 hertz was the n equals 3. Again, pretty strong response. But the n equals 4 and the n equals 5 were the tough ones to see. So we'll see how they line up. So 267, not bad. There's our n equals 4 right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one, n equals 5, was 337. Oops, that didn't go in. 337. And wow, beautiful. Very straight row right there. So, this result was much better than the first one. So I'm expecting to get, fairly good results because we've got a much more linear, relationship. I should say all the data points fall on this line really, really well. I'm going to do my linear fit. And there's my slope, 68.4. So that's all I need to do for this one. And again, you can see the graph comes out pretty well there. And not as much scatter or deviation as we had with the first graph. So, my expectation is we'd probably get a more accurate value for mu here. Okay, that's it. Sorry, this video wasn't included with the previous one, but there's your data. I'll take a picture of it and post it.